These are JPEGs. And if you find yourself wanting to identify text on static images, Illustrator's Retype Beta, which you can find under the Type menu, may help. Once activated, Illustrator will detect the various words within your image and display recommendations within the Retype panel, including the exact match if it exists on Adobe Fonts. From here, you can activate the fonts you want to use in your project. And once synced, it'll be immediately available within your font picker. Let's do one more. Select an image, choose Retype under the Type menu, and activate one of the recommended fonts. It's that simple. Give it a shot and let us know what you think in the comments or on Twitter.